Both the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines require 2 doses, and right now they are the only approved vaccines, though Johnson & Johnson's vaccine may soon be available. So how does it compare to the other 2? Well, for starters, it is only 1 shot as opposed to 2. Johnson & Johnson says its vaccine is 66% effective at preventing moderate to severe COVID-19 illness and 85% effective at preventing the most serious symptoms. Moderna and Pfizer are both about 95% effective. Johnson & Johnson still needs FDA emergency authorization before it can start shipping those doses. And you can find information about the COVID-19 vaccines, including testing sites and help finding vaccine appointments, as well as locations that are near you on 11alive.com. And you can also get a link sent directly to your phone. Just text the word vaccines to 404-885-7600.